In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an Eventbrite event private. If you want only specific people to find and register for your event, Eventbrite makes that possible by adjusting the privacy settings. You can do this before you publish or even after your event is live, so you stay in control at every stage. Start on a desktop for the clearest view of all options. Go to eventbrite.com and log in. From your account, open your event dashboard and select the event you want to manage. Look for event details or edit event, then scroll until you find the privacy or event privacy section. This is where you decide how visible your event should be and who can get in. You'll see three primary privacy choices. Private page, also called unlisted, hides your event from public search and listings. Only people with the direct link can access the page, which is great if you want to share it within a community, a newsletter, or a team without broadcasting it widely. Invite only is the most controlled option. With this setting, only guests you invite can register, which is perfect for closed groups, internal trainings, or member events. Password protected requires attendees to enter a password before they can view or register, useful when you want to share a link broadly but still keep a gate in place. Eventbrite's private settings ensure your event won't appear in search results or on public event feeds. That way, you set the terms for access. Once you choose the privacy option that fits your needs, you can fine-tune how people get in. If you pick the private page route, share the direct link with the audience you trust. If you chose invite only, add guest emails from your dashboard and let Eventbrite send official invitations on your behalf, or share invite links with approved attendees. For password-protected events, distribute the password securely to your intended guests so they can enter it when prompted. To keep things private end-to-end, make sure public listing is disabled wherever that setting appears. Remember, for any private setup, attendees must have one of the following: the direct link, a valid invitation, or the correct password. You can still sell tickets under all of these privacy options, so selling privately is absolutely supported. That's it. By selecting the right privacy level and controlling how attendees access your event, you can host confidently without exposing your page to the public.